2026 RVs are getting absolutely wild. Today we're going to take a look at this Salem 270ZEN. Let's take a look. What's up, y'all? This is Cory, and welcome back to another 3-minute quick tour on the RVing with Cory YouTube channel. Today we're taking a look at the Salem 270ZEN. Now, starting out here, you do have your 2 power awnings. We'll come back to the outside here in just a moment, but I do want to start with this beautiful interior. So let's start at the back and work our way forward. You have the spinny chairs, as I call them. These are going to be recliners, massive windows. Love that light fixture too, by the way. Televator with the fireplace directly across from your main seating area. You do have a trifold sleeper sofa here, so just keep that in mind for some extra guest capacity. High top bar seating area for your dinette. Again, televator with a window behind it. Tons of storage back over here. 3-burner cooktop with plenty of room, to bake a pizza or something, whatever you want to do. 10.7 cubic foot, 12 volt DC compressor driven refrigerator right there. And a nice big sink to wash all those pots and pans. Over here, behind this mirror, this is really cool. You do have your microwave. Love that that's hidden. And we do have our beautiful pantry area. Now, coming forward, we have got our bathroom area. Porcelain foot flush throne, 30 by 36 inch shower. We also have pretty respectable countertop space, sink space, and storage space in here. We do have 2 air conditioners on this model and a forced air heated underbelly. 66 by 80 Olympic queen bed. Good storage. And we've even got some washer dryer prep right there as well. Now, moving on to the outside. We are going to have, again, dual power awnings, as I mentioned earlier. Nice big storage. You do have the optional power stabilizer jack system there as well. Power tongue jack, 2 20-pound propane tanks. We also have our tankless water heater, new outside shower for 2026 as well. This will be where you dump your black and gray tanks with all of your hookups right there. Simple graphics package for 2026. We are prepped and ready for a backup camera, Lippert on-the-go ladder, and we've got our stinky slinky storage right there as well. Now, coming back over here onto our campsite or the party side, we have our outside JBL speakers and a spot for a TV. So let me know your thoughts on this Salem 270ZEN. Price and specs will be down in the description below. Let me know your thoughts again. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.